guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a pumpkin pie nice cream. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 2 frozen bananas, 5 ice cube sized pieces of frozen pumpkin puree. Now I have a video showing you exactly how I did this. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my walnut milk, and then a spice mix that includes 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of clove, nutmeg, and ginger. You can also just use, if you have the availability of a pumpkin pie spice, you can use just a tablespoon of that instead. I'm also going to be using my Ninja Auto IQ blender to make this nice cream. So I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get this started. Okay, to get started, we're just going to load our ingredients into the food processor. I like to take my bananas and just break them into thirds. And add in my pumpkin puree. I spilled a little bit of maple syrup, but that will be all right. We've got our plant-based milk. I'm being quite messy today, all right. And we've got our spice mix. Now I'm going to head and blend this or process this on low at the start, work my way up, and it'll probably take around 60 seconds. Okay, that took roughly around 1 minute and 45 seconds, and that looks absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and get a dish of that bowled up, get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, I've got the kitchen tidied up. I've got a dish of my pumpkin pie nice cream bowled up. Now I've got to say, pumpkin pie has always been one of my favorite desserts. My parents tell a story of when I was just a little kid, I almost ate a whole pumpkin pie by myself. I was also a very fat kid, so that kind of explains that. But this will not make you fat. This is a very healthy option and a very tasty one, I hope so. Myself, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Absolutely delicious. You know, the bananas don't overpower it. You got a great pumpkin flavor, that real warming sensation that comes from the clove, the nutmeg, the ginger, the cinnamon. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you go ahead and give it a try, let me know how you like it down in the comments below. And go ahead and give me a like on Facebook if you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one at The Plant-Based Gabriel, and on YouTube at Plant-Based Gabriel. Make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I post new recipe videos. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my pumpkin pie nice cream. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I really hope I will see you very, very soon.